What's up, YouTube? I'm Steve. While many of you don't know me, I did something a lot of us have thought about over the years, and that's quit my job to do YouTube full time. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about why I did it. I'm going to give you a car and shop update. We're going to get kicking off, hopefully, with videos every day. But let's get into the video. Now, the job was right down my alley. Industrial painting and powder coating. No custom powder coating, but still industrial painting and powder coating. Something that I wanted to advance into and kind of dabble into, although I do like custom powder coating much better. It was a great fit and things were great, but I was miserable. You see, I have the S10, we have the Crown Vic, and we got the shop here. And I ended up dedicating so much time to the company to fix their paint department, to build out their paint department, to hire new people and get it going and get it functioning in a timely manner, that I didn't really have time to do the side work, which is fine. So I have some health issues and doing the 10-hour days there, I could do, but then coming home and doing another 4 or 5 hours was just really tough for me. Basically, I didn't have the time to do the side work that I wanted to, and I felt inside that I was not going and doing stuff to my best ability. I started this YouTube channel about 5 years ago or so, and I started it with the intent of documenting growing the powder coating business, but always have wanted to get more into automotive stuff. And I've always kind of beat myself down saying, hey, you know, you gotta have a ton of money, a boatload of money to get a channel going and to really kind of blow up. And yes, you do have to have some funds, of course, but it's also about dedication. And I also got frustrated because, as you can tell, I'm not the greatest at making long form content. I've learned to make some short form content that's done pretty well, that's helped me grow the channel. So many of you may be seeing this the first time and wondering what. And yeah, I do the stripping videos and how much the wheel cost and stuff like that. But found these little niches on the short form side that have helped me. And I want to make YouTube content. I want to entertain people and not just document what I've got going on. I want to entertain people. I want to do cool stuff. I want to try different things. You know what I'm saying? Just make some cool different content too. I felt that the full-time job was going to get there, and it helped me get there. And in a way it did, but it also helped me see that the path that I was on, had I just done then what I'm doing now with YouTube, then I would be a year ahead, 14 months ahead of where I am right now. I'm not the greatest at making long form content, and that's why I decided that I just wanted to follow my passion, follow my goals, try to make some content for you guys. For me, I would rather be running down the racetrack, which I don't even have a car to drag now. I want to do drag and drives. Like, drag and drives are a huge thing for me. I really want to take a year and just do every friggin' drag and drive event that I possibly can, try and obviously just document it all. I want to get a solid vehicle. And at this point in time, I've got the S10, which we're going to go look at. It's going to be a while before it's ready to go on a drag and drive. The Crown Vic blew a motor. We'll see that in a second. It's sitting out there. We went to Import Face Off or something, and my son was drag racing some people. And on the way home, he got a knock, so we had to call our buddy, and he went and towed us. We're gonna take a look at the cars. We got the shop here. If you've seen any of the long form content, some of the videos that I was doing, I was making it with the S10 and the work that we were doing on the S10. That was when I still had the job, and I dug it, but I'm trying to look at something that's a little bit farther along. Maybe find something that is a roller and then throw a motor in it, or find something that's already got a motor and maybe it's not super powerful, but it's got some extra things, and then just kind of build from there. I have a Gen 3 5.3 LS that needs to be rebuilt. I got a 350. I do have a 2-bolt main 454 big block. And then I have a TH350 trans, and I have a 350 small block that was in an S10. As far as the LS, I've pretty much got everything for the LS. I do have some heads, but they're gonna need to go to the machine shop because this one here, the piston smacked the valve, I think on a couple cylinders. So that one would need to be rebuilt. The big block will probably have to go to the machine shop. This one might have to go to the machine shop. The LS might have to. That one would not have to. So If I find a roller, I still have to dump a bunch of money, and I've got a little bit of money saved up and I've got work coming in, but I'd have to dump a bunch of money into one of those motors. So I'm trying to figure, maybe if I find something that's kind of running, even if it's kind of stock, I want to get rolling on something. So that's what these videos are going to focus on. I'm going to focus on work that I'm doing, but I'm not going to document just powder coating stuff. Yes, if I'm powder coating, I'm going to document that work, but the content is not going to be just the powder coating work. It's going to be getting the hustle and grind on to make stuff happen. It's going to be about documenting the hustle and the grind to do what you want to do in life. So here's the S10. This grassy area right back here is the back part of our shop. So we got area to store stuff. We could push cars all the way up into the trees right there. We've got a lot of room to store some stuff. I've thought of even, starting to part some stuff out or do some different things there too, which, we may do. Anyway, yeah, it shouldn't be outside. It's been in the rain. It's been out here for a couple of days because I needed the lift in the shop. But here's the S10 tore down. I'm in the process of fixing the rust. I'd like to get that fixed. Then I can really start putting it back together. I could take the gas tank out, put a fuel cell in, start putting together one of those motors. Again, I think if I focus on buying something that's running, then I can start getting at things a little bit quicker. But we may have to wait until next season before we do any racing. I'd like to get to the track before the end of this season. Crown Vic, blown up. We do have videos of us painting that. We have videos of us at a Cletus and Cars burnout contest. You can see video of that. So we've got it up there. I might try and put a link up here if possible, if I remember. So this lift right here, we have some video about this. This is our chassis liner lift. Can actually pull the frame and do some other stuff with that. We've got all the stuff for it. We've got Jeremy's Celica is still back there. Austin has his Dodge Dart over at the house. He's got the bodywork finished up and he's got it primed, but he's been focusing on building his house. He's almost done with the house, so in the next few months, he should be back to doing some stuff on that. Jeremy, I don't know when he's gonna get the Celica going, and I wanna get this stuff for the S10 out of here. Like, the bed is junk. It's rusted underneath, so we got the train, but I'll probably get rid of the bed. Any parts that I'm not gonna use, I might sling, but open this up some. I have talked to the landlord and thought about remodeling the shop so I can put some lifts over there and actually using this area right here for a powder coating booth and a powder coating oven. So that's something that's in the works. I've already got approval from the landlord. It's just gonna take time and money right now. Basically from where that wood and drywall meet, from there over, all that wood stuff would be gone. There'd be enough room to put 2 to 3 lifts. We can pull cars right in from there. It's just a matter of getting time to do it and the funds to do it. But right now, if I move stuff around, clean some stuff up, get rid of some stuff, there'll be more than enough room. I just won't be able to build a powder coating oven as big as I want to. There's a year or two worth of stuff planned out, but it's just me, and I want to make the coolest content for you guys, and doing all that stuff and probably talking like this is, well, not necessarily the greatest content. So to help me get better at making content, only way to get better is to continue to make it and make as much as possible and learn from it. I am going to try and do regular daily uploads. I know that the possibility of that sticking around is very slim, but I just want to do it a day at a time. My biggest thing is I make a video and then I don't post it because it's like me talking a lot, or it's not super informative or super funny, or I'm not spending a bunch of money on it. So in my mind, I'm like, why am I making it? I could learn from that. And it'll get me on a routine. So each day, just document or show you what I'm doing for the day. Or if I don't have anything that I have to do that day, like a powder coating job or something like that, then I can turn around and put some money in. I want to learn about tuning, so I've done some classes and videos and courses and stuff like that, but it's time for me to really get down and dirty. So I thought about just buying some cheap S10s because I love them anyway, and getting HP tuners and then learning how to tune them. And that's stuff that I want to document. I think it'd be fun. We're probably going to blow some stuff up and just have a blast and just have a good time, make some cool content, learn some stuff. I'm here, I'm ready to make content, I'm ready to have some fun. If you want to do that too, subscribe down below. If you want to see some car builds, if you want to see if I get on this drag and drive, go ahead and tap that subscribe button. Turn on notifications if you want. If you don't want to, cool. And hopefully you join me along the way. See ya.